Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Price changes can flip revenue fast, so watch this quick idea. Whether revenue rises or falls depends on how strongly buyers react. Start with the total revenue rule. Revenue equals price times quantity sold. So when Eli raises bracelet prices, the real question is whether quantity drops a little or a lot. If demand is relatively inelastic, buyers barely reduce purchases, so the higher price outweighs the small quantity drop and total revenue rises. That means any decrease claim there is wrong. If demand is unit elastic, revenue stays unchanged. But if demand is relatively elastic, quantity falls more than price rises, so total revenue decreases. Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rushing. Trust what's given and check each step so elastic demand means revenue falls after